So do you want to learn how to manage your money but don't know where to start? These financial books for beginners will set you on the right path. Now, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, all right? So managing your money can be tricky, okay? Especially if you don't know where to begin. So don't worry, there are amazing books out there that are gonna help you to understand how to save, invest, and to plan for your future, okay? So let's explore the best ones to read in 2025. So I'm gonna put this in 3 steps, by the way. Step 1, basic money management start, okay? You gotta, books like, what's the name of the book? The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, or Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, okay? Put those on audiobooks if you don't like to read, just get it done. They talk about the basics of budgeting, saving, and basically getting out of debt in an easy to understand way. Those books are the beginning of everything you need. Step 2, investing for beginners, okay? So basically, once you got the basics down, check out The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, or Invested by Danielle and Phil Town, okay? So I'll put this all in the description, and these books are going to show you how to invest your money wisely, even if you're just starting out. Step 3, financial independence. If you want to learn about creating long-term wealth, read the, what's it called? The Simple Path. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, okay? It's perfect for anyone looking to make smart financial decisions, that pay off big time in the future, okay? You need to read that one. So take charge of your financial future now. And if you found this helpful, like, comment, subscribe if you like. I love you, okay?